Ladies and gentlemen, there comes a moment in every person's life when they realize that being liked by everyone is not the same as being respected by everyone. If people constantly ignore your boundaries, underestimate your value, or treat you as an option instead of a priority, it's time to change the way you carry yourself. The truth is this: people fear disrespecting those who respect themselves first. The moment you stop begging for approval and start standing firmly in your worth, the world begins to treat you differently. Today is the day you decide that your presence will command respect without raising your voice, proving yourself endlessly, or seeking validation from anyone. Respect is never demanded through anger, intimidation, or arrogance. It is earned through consistency, confidence, and character. The strongest people in the room are rarely the loudest. They speak with purpose, they act with discipline, and they never compromise their values to fit into someone else's expectations. When you develop this kind of inner strength, people naturally think twice before crossing your boundaries because they know your standards are non-negotiable. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying too hard to please everyone. They say yes when they want to say no. They apologize for things that are not their fault. They tolerate disrespect because they fear losing relationships, opportunities, or acceptance. But every time you betray yourself to satisfy someone else, you silently teach people that your boundaries can be ignored. The world treats you according to the standards you consistently enforce. If you allow disrespect once, it often becomes a habit. If you calmly refuse it every time, people quickly learn that you cannot be manipulated. Confidence is one of the most powerful forms of protection. Real confidence doesn't come from expensive clothes, social status, or public recognition. It comes from knowing who you are, even when nobody applauds you. It comes from keeping promises to yourself, improving every day, and refusing to let temporary failures define your future. A confident person doesn't need to announce their worth because their actions speak louder than their words. When your confidence is rooted in discipline instead of opinions, criticism loses its power over you. Your silence can often be more powerful than your arguments. Not every insult deserves a response. Not every disagreement deserves your energy. Some people provoke others because they enjoy emotional reactions. The moment they realize they cannot control your emotions, they lose their influence over you. Staying calm under pressure is not weakness. It is emotional mastery. A person who controls their emotions cannot easily be controlled by others. Another powerful habit is becoming excellent at what you do. Skill creates confidence, and confidence creates respect. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, employee, artist, or leader, commit yourself to becoming so good that your work becomes impossible to ignore. People may question your potential, but they cannot argue with consistent results. Excellence builds a reputation that speaks long before you enter the room. Never explain yourself to people who have already decided not to understand you. One of the greatest signs of maturity is knowing when to walk away instead of wasting energy trying to convince someone of your value. Not everyone deserves access to your time, your attention, or your peace. Protecting your energy is not selfish. It is necessary. The people who truly respect you will never require you to abandon your self-respect to keep them happy. Discipline is another quality that commands admiration. Wake up when you say you will. Finish what you start. Keep learning even when nobody is watching. Stay committed during the days when motivation disappears. Anyone can be excited for a few days, but disciplined people continue long after excitement fades. Consistency builds trust, and trust creates lasting respect. Stop seeking validation from people who have never achieved what you aspire to become. Too many dreams die because someone listened to opinions from people who never had the courage to chase their own goals. Listen to constructive advice, but never surrender your vision because of doubt, criticism, or temporary setbacks. Your future belongs to the version of yourself that keeps moving forward despite uncertainty. Learn the power of walking away. If someone repeatedly disrespects you after you've communicated your boundaries, your absence becomes your strongest statement. Walking away is not giving up. It is refusing to negotiate your dignity. Some people only recognize your value after they lose access to your presence. Never chase those who continually fail to appreciate your worth. Carry yourself with humility, but never with insecurity. Be kind without becoming weak. Be generous without allowing yourself to be used. Help others without sacrificing your own growth. Strength and compassion can exist together. The people who leave the greatest impact are those who combine confidence with humility and ambition with integrity. Remember that respect begins with the promises you keep to yourself. Every workout completed, every book finished, every goal achieved, and every difficult conversation handled with courage strengthens your identity. You become someone who trusts themselves, and when you trust yourself, others naturally begin to trust and respect you too. The goal is not to make people afraid of you. The goal is to become someone whose principles, confidence, discipline, and self-respect make others think twice before treating you carelessly. True influence is built on character, not intimidation. Build a life where your actions speak so powerfully that your reputation enters every room before you do, and let your unwavering self-respect become the reason the world chooses to respect you as well. Respect begins long before anyone else offers it to you. It starts with the way you see yourself, the standards you set, and the choices you make every single day. If you constantly compromise your values just to gain acceptance, people will assume your principles are flexible. But when you stand firm in what you believe, others quickly recognize that your self-worth is not something they can negotiate. Building unshakable self-respect means understanding that your value does not depend on compliments, social status, or the opinions of other people. It comes from knowing who you are and refusing to let temporary circumstances define your identity. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, whether it is waking up on time, finishing a task, speaking honestly, or walking away from negativity, you strengthen the foundation of your confidence. Boundaries are another essential part of self-respect because they protect your time, energy, and emotional well-being. Saying no when something conflicts with your values is not selfish. It is an act of wisdom and maturity. Many people fear disappointing others, but they end up disappointing themselves instead. The strongest individuals understand that they cannot be available to everyone while remaining true to themselves. They choose relationships built on mutual respect rather than constant sacrifice. They refuse to tolerate repeated dishonesty, manipulation, or disrespect because they know that accepting poor treatment only invites more of it. At the same time, self-respect is never about arrogance or believing you are better than others. It is about recognizing that every person deserves dignity, including you. When you carry yourself with confidence, humility, and consistency, people naturally begin to mirror the standards you have established. They notice that you do not chase validation, argue for attention, or beg for appreciation because your confidence comes from within. The way you speak, the way you respond to challenges, and the way you protect your principles quietly communicate that your self-worth is not for sale. And once you truly respect yourself, the world learns that disrespect is a boundary it cannot cross. True confidence is not loud, boastful, or dependent on the attention of others. It is calm, steady, and deeply rooted in the promises you keep to yourself. Many people believe confidence comes from praise, popularity, or external success, but those things can disappear overnight. Real confidence is built through discipline, self-belief, and continuous personal growth. It develops every time you choose to do what is right instead of what is easy. Every early morning you wake up with purpose, every challenge you face without giving up, and every commitment you honor adds another layer to your inner strength. This kind of confidence cannot be taken away because it is earned through consistent action rather than borrowed from someone else's opinion. The strongest people rarely feel the need to prove themselves because they know their value does not depend on applause. They understand that confidence is not about being perfect. It is about trusting yourself enough to keep moving forward even when you make mistakes. Failure becomes a lesson instead of a reason to quit because they believe growth is more important than immediate success. Instead of comparing themselves with others, they focus on becoming better than they were yesterday. They celebrate progress, no matter how small, because they know that lasting transformation happens one step at a time. Quiet confidence also means letting your actions speak louder than your words. Anyone can make promises, but only disciplined people consistently fulfill them. People may ignore your claims, but they will always notice your consistency, integrity, and results. When your behavior aligns with your values, your reputation begins to speak for you before you say a single word. There is no need to seek approval or constantly explain your worth because your character becomes the evidence of who you are. You become someone who remains calm during pressure, respectful during conflict, and focused despite distractions. This silent strength earns trust, admiration, and respect far more effectively than arrogance ever could. The more you invest in your discipline, your mindset, and your personal development, the more unshakable your confidence becomes, allowing you to walk through life with quiet certainty, unwavering purpose, and the kind of presence that commands respect without ever demanding it. Your greatest strength is not measured by how loudly you react, but by how calmly you respond when life tests your patience. Every day, people face criticism, rejection, misunderstandings, and moments that challenge their emotions. The difference between an ordinary person and a truly powerful individual is the ability to remain in control when everyone else is losing theirs. Emotional mastery is not about hiding your feelings or pretending nothing affects you. It is about choosing your response instead of allowing your emotions to control your actions. When someone insults you, criticizes your work, or doubts your abilities, your first reaction may be to argue, defend yourself, or seek revenge. But reacting impulsively often gives others exactly what they want: control over your emotions. The moment you allow someone else's words to dictate your behavior, you hand them power over your peace of mind. Strong people understand that not every opinion deserves a response, and not every battle is worth fighting. They stay focused on their purpose instead of getting distracted by negativity. They know that silence, patience, and composure often make a stronger statement than anger ever could. Remaining calm under pressure also helps you make better decisions because emotions can cloud judgment and lead to regret. When you pause, think clearly, and respond with wisdom, you protect both your reputation and your future. Emotional control also builds confidence because it reminds you that your happiness is not dependent on how others treat you. You become difficult to manipulate because no one can provoke you into abandoning your values. Instead of carrying resentment, you choose growth. Instead of seeking revenge, you focus on success. Instead of proving people wrong with arguments, you prove them wrong with your actions. This level of self-control earns trust, admiration, and lasting respect because people recognize that your strength comes from within. And when you master your emotions, you become the kind of person who remains unshaken by criticism, unstoppable in adversity, and impossible for anyone to control through fear, anger, or doubt. Respect that lasts is never built on empty words or temporary success. It is earned through excellence, consistency, and an unwavering commitment to becoming better every single day. Anyone can make promises about what they will achieve, but only a few have the discipline to turn those promises into reality. The people who command genuine respect are not those who constantly talk about their dreams, but those who quietly dedicate themselves to mastering their craft. They understand that every hour spent learning, practicing, and improving is an investment in a future that others cannot ignore. Excellence is not about being perfect. It is about refusing to settle for mediocrity. Every challenge becomes an opportunity to grow stronger. Every mistake becomes a lesson, and every setback becomes another reason to work harder. Instead of comparing themselves with others, they compete with the person they were yesterday. This mindset keeps them focused on progress rather than perfection. Consistency is what transforms ordinary effort into extraordinary results. Small actions repeated day after day eventually create skills, habits, and achievements that set you apart from the crowd. There will always be people who doubt your abilities, criticize your ambitions, or underestimate your potential. But the most powerful response is not an argument. It is undeniable results. Success has a way of silencing criticism because achievements speak a language that everyone understands. When you become known for your reliability, professionalism, and commitment to excellence, people naturally begin to trust your judgment and respect your abilities. They recognize that your success is not based on luck, but on preparation, discipline, and relentless effort. Instead of chasing recognition, focus on becoming so skilled that recognition finds you. Let your work reflect your values, your consistency reveal your character, and your results become proof of your dedication. The more you invest in your knowledge, your discipline, and your personal growth, the more your reputation grows stronger, until your excellence becomes your identity and your commitment to continuous improvement earns you a level of respect that no opinion, criticism, or obstacle can ever take away. One of the greatest signs of strength is knowing when to protect your boundaries and when to walk away from situations that no longer serve your growth. Too many people spend their lives trying to please everyone, hoping that constant sacrifice will earn them love, acceptance, or respect. The reality is that people who never set boundaries often become the ones who are taken for granted. When you constantly say yes to things that drain your energy, ignore your values, or make you uncomfortable, you slowly teach others that your needs come second. Every time you remain silent in the face of disrespect, you unintentionally give permission for that behavior to continue. Building a life of self-respect requires the courage to say no without guilt and to choose your peace over unnecessary conflict. Saying no does not make you rude, selfish, or uncaring. It simply means you value your time, your energy, and your well-being enough to protect them. The most successful and emotionally strong people understand that they cannot be everything to everyone. They choose quality over quantity in their relationships and surround themselves with people who appreciate, support, and respect them. They are kind, but they are not easily manipulated. They are generous, but they never allow generosity to become an invitation for exploitation. Walking away is another powerful expression of self-respect. It is not an act of weakness or defeat. It is a decision to stop investing in people or environments that repeatedly diminish your value. Whether it is a toxic friendship, an unhealthy relationship, or a workplace that constantly ignores your worth, staying where you are, consistently disrespected, only damages your confidence and limits your potential. Sometimes the strongest statement you can make is your absence. You do not need to argue, seek revenge, or convince others to change. Your decision to leave speaks louder than endless explanations ever could. Protect your peace with the same determination you protect your dreams, because a calm mind, healthy boundaries, and the courage to walk away from repeated disrespect create a life where your self-worth remains untouchable, and your future is shaped by the people and opportunities that truly deserve your presence. A life of lasting respect is built on discipline, integrity, and purpose. These are the qualities that define a person's character long after achievements, titles, and recognition fade away. Anyone can stay motivated when life is easy, but true strength is revealed when you continue moving forward despite obstacles, setbacks, and uncertainty. Discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when you do not feel like doing it. It is waking up early when comfort tells you to stay in bed, staying focused when distractions surround you, and finishing what you started even when the excitement has disappeared. Every promise you keep to yourself strengthens your confidence because it proves that your words and actions are aligned. The more you trust yourself, the less you depend on the approval of others. Integrity is equally important because it reflects who you are when no one is watching. It means choosing honesty over shortcuts, responsibility over excuses, and principles over temporary rewards. A person with integrity does not compromise their values simply to gain popularity or immediate success. They understand that a strong reputation is earned through countless moments of doing the right thing, even when it is difficult. Purpose gives direction to both discipline and integrity. Without purpose, hard work becomes exhausting, and success feels empty. When you know why you are pursuing your goals, every challenge becomes easier to endure because you recognize that each step is moving you closer to something meaningful. Purpose keeps you focused when others become distracted and reminds you that temporary failures are only part of a much greater journey. At the same time, never allow success to replace humility. The most respected people remain eager to learn, willing to improve, and grateful for every opportunity they receive. They celebrate progress without becoming arrogant and inspire others through their actions instead of seeking admiration through words. Their consistency, honesty, and commitment create a reputation that grows stronger with time. People naturally trust those whose character remains steady in both success and failure. When you choose to live with discipline, integrity, and purpose every single day, you create a legacy that cannot be measured only by what you achieve, but by the values you uphold, the lives you influence, and the unwavering character that earns lasting respect wherever your journey takes you.